Hi there, my name's Melissa, and on behalf of the person who introduced you to the Monat samples, we are thrilled that you're about to experience a naturally based hair care system that doesn't contain any PEGs, silicone, waxes, harsh salt systems, etc. It is 100% gluten-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. To top it all off, it actually is scientifically proven to regrow your hair, rejuvenate it, and make it stronger. So that's kind of the amazing part of what Monat can do for you. Keep in mind that it is normally a 90-day hair treatment system, and with these samples, you'll probably get 3 to 4 washes depending on your hair length. This rejuvenate oil is infused in all of the products. It is an oil that mimics the body's natural oil production that we tend to lose as we age. That's why it's anti-aging. And massage it into your scalp the night before you wash your hair. And you just go to bed. It won't transfer to your pillow. And then in the morning, you would proceed with the 2 shampoos followed by whatever samples you received. If you are tight on time or perhaps you shower at night, no worries. You can apply this 30 minutes before your shower, let it soak in, and then proceed with your wash. So as we mentioned, the samples are infused with the rejuvenate oil, so you really want to mix those up before you apply them to make sure the essential oils are all mixed in with the fabulous product. You can step into the shower and just start by wetting your hair as you would normally. Once your hair is wet, you can apply a quarter size amount if your hair is long or a dime size amount if your hair is short. You want to lather your hands together to emulsify the product, and then you can apply it directly to your scalp, really focusing on the roots and running it through the rest of your hair as if you were making a ponytail. Don't be alarmed if you notice that it's not foaming on the first wash. This is completely normal. As I mentioned, the first wash removes the buildup. You leave that in your hair 2 to 3 minutes, and once that timer is up, you just rinse away. Like we mentioned, it's highly concentrated, and you want to make sure you're rinsing away that buildup. Then you proceed with your second shampoo, and there we're going really fast here because we've already seen this, and you're focusing on your roots, running it through like a ponytail, and it should foam up on this second wash. If not, you may have to wash a 3rd time. Then you rinse away. If you've received the replenished mask, you would apply this mask following your 2 shampoos. You apply a dime size if short hair, quarter size if you have long hair, and you run it from your roots all the way to your tips, and you leave it in your hair 5 to 10 minutes and rinse away. Once you've rinsed that out, you can proceed with your conditioner. Same amount of product at this point, lathering it in your hands. And then you can, once it's emulsified, you can just run it through your hair. If you have thin hair, focus on the ears down. If you have nice thick hair, perhaps you need extra conditioning, so you can go straight from the roots. But generally, if you have thin hair, conditioner can be heavy and weigh your hair down. So you want to focus on or maximize on that not happening. Once you've, I normally leave that in my hair for 1.5 minutes just to let the oil soak in, and then you can rinse away, and there you have it. That is the Monat process. If you really like to have a nice shine, and if you have frizzies, you will also like to apply 1 or 2 drops of this oil to your hair once it's styled. And you don't want to do it on your roots. You really want to maybe just from ears down, and it'll add a nice shine, a nice finish to your look. It acts as a natural silicone, which silicone is not in the Monat products. So once you've completed your shampoo system, that's it. You still probably have 3 more washes that you can try the product with. Some see results right away and can't believe the difference. Others don't necessarily see a difference on their first wash. This is normal. We have years of buildup that Monat has to work through and remove. Typically, it takes about 30 to 90 days to really do the full transition period of removing all that gunk that's been sitting on our hair. Make sure you connect with the person who introduced you to Monat to let them know what you thought of it, how your hair feels, and they will be happy to help guide you with the next step or to explain what's actually happening if you feel like your hair's maybe a little heavier or maybe it's a little bit oilier. There's a reason for all of that, and they would love to educate you on why that's happening. If you have other questions, you can always email us at support@blossomteam.com. Thanks again and have fun.